Hello, my name is Lana Kosenko and today I will show you how to use our silicone mold for inverted raspberries. How they look. These raspberries look such a way. Yes. And now I will show you how to use our mold the best way and which polymer clay colors are best for raspberries. So I will work today with Cernit translucent number 474. This color is very bright in the package, but after baking he becomes such a way. This is the most best color you can use for raspberries. Also, Cernit translucent series has another number 411. This is wine red color, such way. It's also very beautiful. You can also use it. If you like FIMA, so you can use FIMA effect, translucent red. And after baking, this color will look such a way. I like these raspberries also. They are very beautiful. How it looks. And for those who love Scalpi has Parema accent color translucent red. There is 5044. So this color will be also very close to this one, like Fimo. So you can use this also. So how you should use this mold? As you can see, this blue one is quite stretchy, but still, if you use soft clay, then it will be difficult to take the clay out of this mold without destroying your berry. How should you work? At first, you need to fill the space here, yes, so that your berry would have this very beautiful bottom. So how I make it? So you need to condition your clay. I'm preparing such a piece of clay, and with this one I will fill the space around the bottom. In such a way, I hope you will see it. The bottom will always look beautiful, such a way. Now when I have filled this part, I can make small ball. Be sure that your clay is well conditioned, so there won't be any stretches inside. So, and then I fill the rest part of this mold. When I will fill the second and the third berry, then the extra clay will come out and I will be able to take it off and understand how much extra clay there is. So now I will fill the second berry, at first around the bottom, So the third one. So it looks such a way. I hope you will see it. And now we'll fill the rest part. Now you can see here's the extra came already. You can use a knife to take the extra clay, but be careful because the silicone mold is quite soft and you can cut it with a knife. You can use a ball tool to fill the clay in. So also we can make the same mold in another silicone type, for example in an orange one. It's more soft. Here it is. Yes, and if you are making berries out of the soap or out of the wax, then choose the orange one because it will be easier for you to take these berries out of the mold. For resin works, you can use transparent silicone type. We can also create such one. So I have filled this mold. It looks like this. Yes. Also, when you take the berries out, you need to know that you have very beautiful this side, and the second side will be such way. So in your projects you need to think about it. So, and now what happens now? It's very difficult to take the details out of this mold without baking or freezing. I will show you what can happen. Maybe I will be good enough to take the detail out, but still here you can see I have smashed it. If it would be orange silicone that it is possible I would be able to take it, but still the details are squished and the berry isn't so beautiful anymore. Here you can see. So this is, I have tried to take the berries with unbaked clay. What can you do? The first thing that you can do, you can bake your clay in the mold. So this is ternate clay, wine red, already baked. So when it is baked, it is quite good to take it out. So this is one way how you can take this detail. The second one is freezing. This mold with berries was freezed for about 10-15 minutes, and while the clay is cold, you can take the berries out. Look, what's the difference? This is frozen polymer clay and this is raw unfrozen polymer clay, which we tried to take out. So now I will wait a bit while these details will be back to the room temperature. Yes, this one is this and when it will be warm I can continue to work with it, or I can bake them. So we definitely recommend freezing. It's a very easy way to work with this mold and to take the details out of the mold. Hope this video will help you. Bye.